Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the DREAME Aqua10 Roller AE. If you're interested in the AE, the link to it will be in the video description, where you'll find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website, so be sure to shop the links in the description. So, on the vacuum itself, to restart the vacuum, make sure it's powered on. So we have our solid white lights here, they're illuminated. So go ahead, press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds here. We have the shutdown music, so now we can let go as the device is working on shutting down. So we'll watch those lights. Now the lights went off. We'll give it a couple of seconds, but the restart will be complete as soon as we power it back on. The restart is just a simple power cycle. We're turning it off and back on, otherwise known as a reboot. So let's press and hold again. We're going to hold till the lights come on, or we hear music. The lights just came on, they'll start flashing. Eventually, it'll continue to start up and the white lights will go solid when everything's ready to go. But that's how you power cycle or reboot or restart the DREAME Aqua10 Roller AE.